Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have values and mixed units. Start by listing them and the target units you need. Convert prefixes first, milli to 0, 001 kilo to 1000. Once done, write each quantity with its unit as a fraction. This makes cancellation obvious. Make sure to gather reliable conversion factors now, don't guess. You're setting the framework. Align numerators and denominators so unwanted units cancel. If you check this early, the rest is algebraic and straightforward. Keep your paper neat. Now build the factor chain. Place conversion fractions so units cancel step by step. For example, if converting cm to meters, use 1m/100 cm so cm cancels. Once you've canceled one unit, proceed to the next conversion linking to the remaining units. Keep numbers separate from units and simplify fractions as you go. Use parentheses for complex multipliers and check intermediate units after each multiplication. This prevents mistakes and keeps you on the right path toward your final. Finish by calculating the numeric result and writing the final unit clearly. You should see only the target unit remaining. If not, pause and trace which factor failed to cancel. Once computed, estimate whether the magnitude makes sense. Order of magnitude checks catch inversion errors. If something's wrong, re-examine each fraction orientation and the chain order. Often a factor was inverted or omitted. Finally, round appropriately and label the result so it's ready for use or reporting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.